Mastering ordinal numbers, 1st to 10th. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English learning journey. In this video, we will focus on an important concept, ordinal numbers. You might be asking, what are ordinal numbers? Don't worry, by the end of this video, you will understand what they are and how to use them correctly. Let's jump right in. Ordinal numbers are numbers that indicate position or order in a series. These are different from cardinal numbers, which represent quantity. For example, in a running race, the person who finishes first is the first, not the one. We use ordinal numbers to show the order in which things happen or to set things in a specific sequence. Let's now learn about ordinal numbers from 1st to 10th. Here they are. 1. First, first. 2. Second, second. 3. Third, third. 4. Fourth, fourth. 5. Fifth, fifth. 6. Sixth, sixth. 7. Seventh, seventh. 8. Eighth, eighth. 9. Ninth, ninth. 10. Tenth, tenth. Please note the endings of these numbers. We use street for first, ND for second, road for third, and TH for all other numbers from 4th to 10th. Now that you know the ordinal numbers from 1st to 10th, let's look at how to use them in sentences. 1. She came in first place in the race. 2. This is the second time I've visited this museum. 3. He was the third person to finish the exam. 4. We live on the 4th floor of the building. 5. The 5th book of the series is my favorite. 6. I'll be away on the 6th of June. 7. The 7th chapter is the most interesting. 8. He ranked 8th in the competition. 9. She is celebrating her 9th birthday today. 10. We're planning to visit on the 10th of July. And that's it. Now you understand what ordinal numbers are and how to use them in English. I hope this video helps you feel more comfortable with using ordinal numbers from 1st to 10th. Remember, language learning is a journey, so don't rush. Take your time to practice and understand these concepts. Happy learning, and I'll see you in our next video.